Now, we don't know when the Supreme Court may rule. It actually could be in, I don't know, maybe a week or two. This is on a fast track right now. It has taken the case on an expedited basis until there is a Trump decision. Trump's name will remain on the ballot. May you listen to all of this earlier today. Your takeaway in part was that even some of the liberal justices on the court were skeptical.
Yeah, in fact, I think some of the justices appointed by Democrat presidents were wanted to be more aggressive even than Trump's attorney. So Trump's attorney, Jonathan Mitchell, I was a little bit concerned about that pick because he's a pretty aggressive guy. He used to be the Texas Solicitor General, and yet he made a very nuanced case. He was not trying to go further than these justices were willing. So it was a very good day for Trump and his attorneys. I would say the only justice who seemed open to supporting the Colorado challengers' cause and their legal arguments was Sotomayor. But she did not have a good day herself because she wasn't even familiar with some of the cases that were being addressed. So that it was not good for the other side.
Are you good with his name being taken off the ballot in Colorado for this reason?
No, stupid. Stupid. One of the stupidest things the Democratic Party, anyone affiliated with them, has done in modern political history.
How so?
Because Donald Trump is a disaster. He's a wreck of a human being and incapable of any level of leadership. And what we need to do is litigate that. Remind people the chaos that was the Donald Trump presidency, not try to restrict the choice in and of itself. It's insane, and if there is a reason why Donald Trump will be politically successful, it will be because of this.
Because of that. You agree with
I said from the beginning, let the people decide. At the end of the day, Trump's going to win his party's nomination. That is absolutely fundamentally clear. And at this point, you know, I don't think that he stands a chance of winning the general. However, trying to remove him from the ballot was always a bad idea, and it wasn't going to receive the support of these justices.
May, you think this is a 9-0, 8-1, somewhere in there?
I think probably 8-1. I still see Justice Sotomayor as holdout, but Justice Kagan, she was very concerned about the chaos. Well, what happens when every state does whatever they want? It can't be reviewed. And there was no good answer. So, yeah, 9-0 or 8-1.
Thank you for watching. And make sure you go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.